Welcome to the world of steel, an easy introduction for learning by listening. Introduction. Imagine a world without steel. No big bridges, no skyscrapers, no strong machines. That would be very hard to imagine. Steel is one of the most important materials in our world. We see it everywhere in daily life. But not all steel is the same. Today you will learn about different types of steel and why we need clear rules for its properties. The types of steel. To understand steel better, we can put it into different groups, just like fruit. An apple is different from a banana, and steel also has different types for different jobs. Types by chemical composition. Steel is divided into three main groups. First, non-alloy steel. Think of simple construction steel. It is the basic material for many buildings. It is mostly iron with small amounts of other metals. Second, stainless steel. These steels are like VIPs. They have at least 10.5% chromium, which makes them very resistant to rust, like the cutlery in your kitchen. Third, alloy steel. These steels are like custom-made suits. They have special metals like nickel or molybdenum to make them extra hard or heat-resistant. Types by use. Steel is also grouped by how we use it. Firstly, basic steel, a good all-round steel for general construction. Secondly, high-strength steel. This steel must be very strong, like for bridges. Thirdly, tool steel. This steel is very hard. It is used for drills, saw blades, and other tools. Fourthly, stainless steel, the superhero against rust, perfect for cutlery, railings, and chemical plants. Why do we need rules for steel? Imagine if every baker made bread in a different way. You would never know what you are getting. It is the same with steel. We need clear rules so that everyone in the world knows exactly what kind of steel they are using. This is why we have standards. Important steel standards. There are different standards to make sure steel is the same everywhere. DIN 10025, construction steel, used in buildings and bridges. DIN 10216 and 10217, rules for steel pipes like those used in pipelines. DIN 10088, stainless steel, important for rust-free products in kitchens and industry. DIN ISO 4957, this standard is for tool steel. It must be hard and strong. Conclusion. Steel is not just steel. There are many different kinds with special properties for different jobs. With clear rules, manufacturers and users know exactly what they are working with. This makes steel safe, strong, and reliable, whether in a huge skyscraper or a small screw holding your chair together. Thanks for listening. See you next time at Learning by Listening.